Hello guys, welcome to Cat Veraki YouTube channel. In this video, I will solve the exercise number 20 using AutoCAD. All dimension are millimeter. First, I will make it as circle dia 46 and 62 and 80. Let's go in AutoCAD. First, circle dia 46, 62, 80. Circle dia 80, and I will make it as circle center. Ortho mode on, or make it as straight line, circle center line, make it as end-to-end connection. And this dia is 10 number 6 number. Using array, I will make it as dia 10 and quantity 6 number. Circle dia 10 mm and select the object. I will make it as array. Click on polar, click on center of circle, quantity 6 number. Okay. And I will make it as 120, 60 offset to upside and load side. I will make it as offset 60. This dia is 18 radius and 22 radius, both are same. Circle, extend the line to this line and also mirror it. Extend the line to this line. The circle radius is 18, circle dia is 22. And select on both circle and mirror on upside. And this tangent, this radius is 100. I will make it as circle tan radius. Click on circle end to circle end, make it as 100 radius. Enter. Okay. And trim the unwanted material. And this distance is 46 mm. This side is 30, this dia 9. Offset 46. Extend the line, make it as circle dia 30 and smaller dia 9. Circle dia 9. This radius is 8 mm. Fillet radius 8 mm. Click on this circle to this circle, and also this is also 8 mm, and this also 8 mm, and this circle radius also 8 mm. And carefully remove the unwanted material. Trim on the circle ends. This circle also trimming, and select delete, and those also delete. And extend the center line to circle end. This one also. The drawing is fully completed. Make it as center line and color and make it as dimensions. Select the center line and make it as color as green. I'll make it as center line and match property. This color I will take it as blue. I will make it as match. Drawing is fully completed. Make it as dimension. Go to annotation, make it as diameter. This diameter is 46, this one diameter is 62, this diameter is 80, and this diameter 10. Write it on, it is 6 numbers. Double click and enter. Write it on 6 numbers. and this diameter is 30 and this diameter is 9 mm and this diameter is 22 mm. Two numbers and this radius is 18 mm and this distance between this circle center to this circle is 120 and this center to this circle center is 46. Okay, the drawing is fully completed, fully finished. Please like and share my video. You get more information, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.